Stella's Sister Part 2.
I like this place. I'm gonna have to come here more often, I guess. Who are you? Get away from me! Freeze! I finally got Stella. This is awesome. Now, give me the Solaria ring. I don't have it. Stella does. You are Stella. Now, give it to me. I'm not Stella. I am Stella's sister, not Stella. Ugh, dang it. You don't really look like her. You're not tall enough. Oh well. At least I caught someone. Ice caught it. Get in. Not gonna happen. Okay, or I can get in the box. Help! Help! Get me out of here! I'm free person, but ice is caught. No! Get me out! Get me out! Get me out! Not gonna happen. Perfect. I should get. Wonder how those pixies are doing that I caught this morning. They look froze. I'll keep them that way. This offset dust has to do some good. Hormones. Fairy. Who's so annoying. He loves me way too much. So annoying. We'll make her really easy with the opposite desk. Ha! Where am I? All that I know is Icy's the greatest! Oh, yes, now get off me. Put this one in here. Yes, master. What now? Put all that stuff in. Okay. Perfect. Now, let's see how it works. Hi, I'm Chatter, and I really like Icy. Yes, now get off me. Go stand back there. Yes. And you sit right here. Okay, but I can't sit. Then just lay. Now, I'm going to give you this. And when you press it, I'll come, okay? And only on emergencies. When someone's here, okay? Okay, got it. I have to go shopping. See ya later. Okay, this is my last time trying, and this time you're not using the reliever system. Besides, that sunburn hurt. Whatever. Hey! Where'd I go? Huh, going to help your other sister. No, no, no! Yes, 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 yes. Not gonna happen. Whoa! I look at the car sometimes. Oh well. Hey, these clothes are really nice. She must have gotten for us for a sorry gift. Probably. Whoa, but I feel really coldness in the air. How about we go?
Where are they?
How about we go to Icy's castle and see if she took her?
They're good.
Thank you. I just knew.
Let's go. Quickly.
Sorry, it's hard not to get you in the video.
I know. Whoa. Doesn't seem like her. Here, I'm gonna stop on this thing, see what to do. Wow! Ugh. Thank you, little fairy. Now, what is it? Who's here? Flora! Stella! I want this Hilaria ring. Not gonna happen. Ugh, let me go, you flower freak. No. Keep her held, Ivy Robe. Stella, make sure the others are on lockdown. I'm gonna go look for your sister. Ooh, ladder.
We never went this far before.
Wow! Oh! Ow! Get off of me! Stella's sister? Yes. And by the way, my name is Destiny. Okay. I have been keen on mine. Yeah. Get out! Whoa! Thank you. You're welcome. Come on. Stella's in big trouble right now. Go. I found her. Dang it. I knew I should have changed my locations. What was your hiding place? Oh, big time. Ivy Rope, sent her away. Ah! That should keep her good for a while. But what about the fairies? Oh, I'm tired in that coffin. And cold. Put them back in the opposite dust. Make it back. Ah! Ugh. Just a drop of it, and they'll be back to normal. Oh, Stella! It's so nice to see you again. Hi! Come with me, Chatter. Come on. No! Let me throw this weird bath poison. Yeah. Okay. This is crazy. Oh, Laura, you're here. Like you haven't noticed. Oh no, Pixie Village. We have to get there. Quickly, let's go. Hurry. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Come on, let's go home.
Is this the end?
Come on, come on. Come on, transport. I never get the couches. Because we're lucky. And because I like my sister. Yeah, Stella, thank you very much. Oh no, I meant to give you something, but... Oh, I must go. No, I'm not going back there anymore. Stella. And by the way, you guys, my name is Destiny, okay? Destiny? Destiny! Oh, you guys aren't listening very well. Oh well. I know. Let's go watch some TV. And have a slumber party in Layla and Tekna's room. Come on. Come on, Stella. Some TV will do you good. For relaxing and forgetting about your beautiful long hair. Fine. Give me that TV remote. Come on. Let's go then. Let's go. Let's go. I'll be there.